The increasing complexity of modern buildings is making compliance a bigger challenge than ever before. Large estates with their mix of old and new builds are under increasing pressure to comply with regulations to keep people safe and secure. At Ulster Hospital, compliance is managed using the cloud-based electronic system ZetaSafe, and it's proving a real success.
If you manage a building and you manage some of these complex pieces of equipment, then what you're really looking for is that incoming missile, the piece of kit that is routinely failing and is being recorded as being failing. In the past, that would be buried in a paper logbook, might be on an Excel spreadsheet. But once we get that into a database, and then we can start to look for trends and patterns, then we can flag that up, intervene before it becomes a major problem, and prevent any possible injury to people, financial risk exposure, reputational damage, those sorts of things.
The ZetaSafe system uses an app which can be downloaded to any phone or tablet. Each asset is barcoded so that staff can use their phones to carry out checks at scheduled times. These checks generate masses of information from thousands of tasks, but the ZetaSafe database processes it all and presents it on a simple dashboard.
Where sites use ZetaSafe, that information is there right in front of you. You can look at a dashboard and you can see where the high risk aspects of the building are. You can look at the non-compliant results and you can get a very good picture very quickly.
In hospitals, compliance regulations help to reduce the risk of infections and accidents. Here, estates-related litigation complaints have halved over the past few years. Using ZetaSafe has resulted in other efficiencies too.
It's helped streamline a lot of processes, finance, approval of invoices. You can do them at the click of a button without having to go and physically verify that the work's been done. In terms of audit, it helps us comply with requests for information to prove we're compliant at the click of a button instead of going away looking for paper. It helps us manage over 200 maintenance contracts at the click of a button.
The system can check compliance on practically any kind of equipment in any building. Water tanks, boilers, ventilation shafts, emergency lighting, and even the safety alarm on oxygen tanks. Whatever the client's needs, the software provides.
It's made massive improvements in efficiencies, compliance management, performance management, and basically holding people to account and making sure we're delivering what we should be doing.
ZetaSafe believes the Internet of Things will radically change the compliance landscape in the future. Smart sensors will allow real-time monitoring of a far wider range of assets. In hospitals, that could mean lifts, fire doors and water taps. At ZetaSafe's base in the highly acclaimed Silverstone Innovation Centre, the team developed the system in such a way that any amount of additional data will still be easy to manage.
We can integrate probes, we can have feeds from other systems, CAFM systems, building management systems. Our APIs allow us to talk to and be talked to from other systems, allowing us to integrate with the best of breed of whichever type of system our clients want to use.
With the use of these softwares, different companies talking to one another, this whole ecosystem of apps just makes sure that the correct information is landing on the correct laps. And again, just making it more manageable for people.
The team at ZetaSafe believes the best way of meeting the compliance expectations of the future is to embrace technology. Their system allows organisations to meet standards, to assess risks, to improve their buildings, and most importantly, to keep them safe.